I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove an app from your Android device's home screen without uninstalling it. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen page on your Android device where you want to remove an app without deleting it. Step 2. Hold a finger against the app you want to remove to bring up a menu, and then slowly move the app just a little bit. The menu will close and you'll see a green grid on your screen. Step 5. Position the app over the Remove button at the top of the screen to shade it in, and then remove your finger from the screen. That specific app will be removed from the home screen on your Android device, but it will still be installed and available on your device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.